welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. We are doing a little vlog today, aren't we, Will?
Did you put on an accent when you said my channel? My channel?
Not intentionally. Wow, 2 seconds in and already making fun of me. Thanks for that, babe. Look, I can zoom in on you.
Annabelle just got a new camera.
Wait, I can't zoom in, can I? Oh, I can. Wow, guys, this is really rough right now. So I just actually got a vlog camera, so we're literally vlogging today, which is so exciting, and it feels more legit because we've got the vlog camera. But today is exciting because we aren't at our flat right now. We're at Will's parents' house where he grew up. In the south of England, and we're going gin tasting at this like Bombay Sapphire. We're calling it Bombay Sapphire headquarters, not sure if it's called that, but that's what we've called it. It's a gift from his parents. Anyways, we're going to do that today. So we thought we'd bring you along to show you what it's like in case you're in England and ever want to do it. So just come along for this morning's little get ready with me. I'll show you what I'm wearing. I think I might go work out quickly before going to run, make coffee, taste some gin. Will, you like just back there staring?
Yeah, I'm just hanging out.
And yeah, we'll show you what the whole experience is like, and I think it'll be quite chaotic, and we might get a little lit. What do you think?
Potentially a little bit.
Just a little bit, but I don't think too bad from what it sounds like.
A little lit.
A little lit. So stay tuned. And I'll see you soon. Subscribe if you haven't, because the quality of content has been elevated. Alright, bye. Okay, so these are my clip-in hair extensions that I wear on special occasions. So I'm gonna wear them today, but I haven't washed them in a while. So I am just going to wash them in the sink with cold water so that the color doesn't fade. These are the brand KB hair extensions, and when she sent them to me, she gave me her shampoo and conditioner. So I'm just going to use this. But before I had this and was using different clip-ins, I just used like my Olaplex and something hydrating. So we're just going to wash those, but that is just how I wash my hair extensions. It's good to wash your hair extensions, otherwise they can get really dry. So yeah. Okay, so my iced coffee morning routine is very important to me. So I thought I would actually just show you guys what I do. Sorry, I'm just grabbing my oat milk, which is a very important part. This is the oat milk I use. It's amazing. It froths, which is 10 out of 10 for me. So I start by just taking a glass cup and loading it with ice. So I use the Nespresso Vertuo machine. Will's mom has it, so it's great. Whenever I come here, I get to have my same coffee. So this is the one I have at my house. So I just put in a pod, which was the Peru Organic. It's the green one. And I think it's only like 40 to 80 mils. So it's a super small amount of espresso. So it's just like a shot. So that's going to start pouring out, and then I'm going to take another cup and I'm going to froth my oat milk. But before that pours in over the ice, I'm actually going to take these little barista skinny food coffee syrups, like these miniature to-go sizes, and I just like squirt a tiny bit. Let me show you really fast. Coffee's about to pour in here, and I already squirted some of the English toffee, but I'll literally take the salted caramel and like barely add any, and it's like super concentrated and makes it taste like a paid latte. Literally, look how delicious. And this just like eats through the ice. It's amazing. Okay, so this is what the coffee looks like now. So just a tiny bit of espresso. I then will take a straw and I will just begin stirring that to get the espresso super, super cold. And then I'm going to take my oat milk. This is a brand new one. And I'm just gonna pour some into a cup just to froth it. I don't need too much. I can always add more. And this is a frother from Amazon. It's literally so portable and so easy. And I just begin frothing that bad boy, and it just gets like super foamy in there. And this is not necessary when doing iced coffee, but it's just nice as well. So I'm gonna froth that. Okay, now the magic moment of pouring that beautiful thing, the beautiful oat milk, into my coffee. Literally, look how good that looks. And then I'll just stir it.
What a frothy coffee.
ASMR. Alright, let's do a taste test with this massive straw. Normally I have different ones at our house. But you know what? I think it's like a smoothie straw technically, or like a...
Even better.
Wow. Literally delicious. So, cheers to that, everybody. So this is classic Annabelle. I finished my hair. It looks amazing. Okay, it looks great. But now I have like literally 20 minutes to do my entire face of makeup and get dressed and everything. So I'm running behind just a little bit. Because I was on live with you guys. I'm just having a great old time. And then now I have no time to get ready. But to be honest, I'm like, you know what, I don't really want to wear a ton of makeup. Kind of want to keep it chill anyways. So hopefully we can do that. I'll show you my makeup when I finish it.
Well, thanks for taking us, Dad.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, wait.
We're here.
102.
We are here.
Entrance left. Well, people drive here.
How do they drive? And then come gin tasting. Like, we're here. We brought a bag of snacks to try and keep our stomachs happy. Oh my gosh. That is pretty epic. This is literally so beautiful. Okay, so we pick an orange slice, pick a few. What is this? It's like some type of spice, right?
I have no idea.
It smells like licorice. Okay, great. Shall we put one in? It's a real tough line for us over here. It was a bit chaotic. I think we got here late, but...
Yeah, I think we were meant to get here at
they were like, yeah, can you go put your jets right now? We're like, okay.
Yeah, literally, I think we were meant to get here at like 1:45. We went at 1.
And that's what I did too, but then you said you looked it up and it was
Yeah, no, the email said 1 o'clock.
I know.
Anyway.
Am I gonna get copyrighted for this music? I don't think so. So we tried one of their limited edition gins. I think we showed it. So this is just a single. And apparently we get like 3 or 4 more drinks, and all the rest are doubles, apparently. So, great for Will and Annabelle. You may have to have my drinks because he's a bit bigger than I am. I kind of want to go get a photo or a video of that room again. It was so cool.
Part of a booming cocktail culture, the Bombay Spirit.
Anybody go into the cafe before we're about to get started with all the tropical dishes? No, yeah. Gosh, it's so good.
Where's the fishy?
Really struggling through so far.
Yeah, we've seen
It's
all
sunshine
the botanicals, for those of you that don't know.
behind us. Ooh. And it was like very hot in there. And sorry, I keep looking at the wrong place. And it's a beautiful day. It's sunny outside.
Oh.
We're continuing. It's just struggles all around. We're here at our masterclass. Oh my goodness.
The bar spoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you like it.
2 to 3.
So between 2 and 3 come out very well, so feel free just to take the top off.
Okay, hold on.
And then pop that into a glass.
How's it going? I'm struggling. Babe, do you like sugar?
No, it just doesn't work the other way. So 2 to 3, should I do
2
2?
or 3.
For Tom Collins, that's what we're making right now.
I think surely it's 1.5. You know, like.
1.5, okay,
Like,
alright.
surely all that sweet.
Controversial.
Okay, and then you're just going to squeeze that into a glass. It's a bit of an arm workout.
Go on.
I'm so strong. I couldn't do my own, so.
There we go. That's a good tip.
Wait, hold on.
Keep your mouth slightly open.
Pick up any other flavours other than gin. Got the juniper, yeah? So you know I've definitely not just given you water.
I was gonna say orangey. Tastes
So
orange.
she
I think
can't
it'd be lemon,
have
wouldn't it?
gin without juniper, so you can smell that juniper there. Anyone picking up on like citrusy?
Taste the straight
Little
gin.
taste and see what you can pick up. So can you pick up on those citrusy notes there? Single.
We're having a double. The ladies next to us are good. Otherwise, just pour it in, right?
You can do the whole thing if you like. It's just in case someone wanted to swap you. But no judgment.
Bombay Sapphire.
Boom.
You want to be able to taste the gin, don't you?
Looks like a science experiment on camera with the curtain behind me. Looks like I'm in a school.
If school was like this, then a bit more.
Cheers to our Tom Collins.
Okay, so now, so around 90-95% of what you taste is from what you smell.
Yeah, that's nice with the mint in it now.
Mint's great.
So we are a bit merry now.
Had a few cocktails.
So we've had this one, which is using the Bombay Bramble Blackberry and Raspberry. It's really delicious.
Pretty
I've had
good,
it
pretty
before. So we have that one, and then we got this other. What is this called? Is it like a Negroni?
It's like a Negroni, like martini type
It's not really our
thing.
favorite, but probably because it's not sweet enough for me. Sorry, Will keeps pointing at the camera I need to look at, because I love sugar. I'm still working on my Tom Collins, but Will's is gone. He was washing down his Negroni with his Tom Collins.
Yeah, literally, because the Negroni is much smaller and it's like much like stronger. So the Tom
Yeah.
Collins is basically all soda water. So it's a
But let me
nice
show
kind of-
you. Yeah, it was, I mean,
It's pretty good.
it's pretty good. Let me show you the chaos that has ensued between all of the... Wait, we're having another one.
No. This one.
Oh, okay, praise God.
This here is called the Clover Cup.
So we just tried the new lemon, something limoncello-ish gin. What do you think? Are you that impressed by it?
I think it's really nice.
It is nice and refreshing.
It's very refreshing. It's very
Yeah.
good for like a summertime evening, 5 o'clock drink.
Here, I might turn around so we're both full.
Yeah, no, it's lovely.
Yeah,
No
it's
complaints.
just, we just,
Cheers.
I don't know if we're fully appreciating the flavor necessarily. Like, it kind of tastes like a normal gin tonic, maybe.
I wish I
lemon.
could taste it straight.
Yeah. I kind of wondered if we should have just gotten it straight, but then I was like, is that too intense?
It's quite intense.
But it is good. A successful day of gin tasting,
It's been a very successful day of gin tasting.
Your dad's
yeah.
about to get us because he's our driver, which is wonderful.
Thank you, Justin. Then we're gonna have a nap, probably.
Probably, yeah.
Odds are.
And we're seeing Top Gun tonight. It's
Top
a great
Gun.
day.
Top Gun 2.
It's truly a great day. All right, guys. See you later. A few hours later, we're on a walk in beautiful Fleet. It is gorgeous. Cutting back time, obviously. It is sunny. Somehow, we're on my phone. Hence the quality, in case anybody's noticing. And it's actually not too cold. The path that we normally walk is over there, but it's quite overgrown, so we're walking next to it right now.
Oh, I'll show you. It's quite interesting just in the past couple of weeks. See it? Quite overgrown. Mad.
So we are about to go see Top Gun.
Top Gun!
I haven't seen the first one.
It's about
but,
the US military.
So we're going with Will's parents.
USA!
We just had dinner. It was delish.
It was very nice.
And we're gonna go see Top Gun and...
I feel the need. The need for speed. Top Gun quote.
Don't even know. Okay. Oh. So we're going. We just got back. Well, no. We got back like an hour ago from the movie. It was literally so good. You guys have to go see Top Gun. I'm sure you have, but it was amazing. And we just got ready for bed. And I'm so tired. It's been the absolute best day ever, though. Such a beautiful, wonderful day with you, Will. But I hope you enjoyed the vlog. It was a bit chaotic, a bit random. Sorry, I think I'm looking at the wrong place. I'm trying to get used to looking at the camera. Hopefully you can forgive me. But I know. But thank you for watching, subscribe, and like, and leave a comment down below with what type of vlog you want to see next, because I'm continuing to make all the hair videos, but yeah, what kind of vlog you want to see. And I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, morning, night from wherever you're watching. So we'll see you next time. Are you saying bye? Wait.
Bye.